Servus Leute, willkommen zu einem neuen Video von der SHOT Show 2025 hier auf dem Stand von Beretta Defense Technologies BDT. Bin hier mit dem Mauro. So Mauro, thanks for your time.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome on the channel.
Thank you.
Und gemeinsam mit dem Mauro werden wir uns eine der wahrscheinlich spannendsten Waffen derzeit auf dem Markt anschauen, und zwar die Benelli M4 AI Drone Guardian. Ihr habt das Video von uns schon gesehen, wo wir auf Drohnen schießen mit Schrotflinten, mit Sapiens Parabellum gemeinsam. Und da habe ich schon erwähnt, dass es im Bereich Drohnenverteidigung auch schon Schrotflinten gibt. Und das ist sie, die M4 AI Drone Guardian. So Mauro, tell us about this shotgun. What is special about it?
Okay, Benelli, considered all the information we have received from the battlefield today. You know, everybody knows about the wars in progress in Ukraine, in Gaza, Israel. The real combat scenario, basically, they use the massive use of FPV drones, class 1 and class 2. They are very cheap systems, costing 1,400 euros. Considering the drone and the RPG or the grenade, and they can defeat soldiers on the ground very easily, and the vehicles, like a tank that might cost 1 million euros. So they are a huge threat, always evolving, and so we had to respond. We thought about what's happening right now today on the battlefield, and the other systems, electronic warfare systems or jamming guns, they don't work. So the only system to stop these FPV drones is a direct kinetic energy, so a hard kill solution. And we in Benelli, we developed the state-of-the-art and the best hard kill solution we can offer now to the market. We started from the M4, the Benelli with the US military designated name M1014, is by far the most combat-proven shotgun available in the market today. We developed a dedicated technology, a new technology called AI. AI stands for Advanced Impact. There are larger and longer cones inside the barrel and larger and longer cones inside the chokes, able to maximize the speed, to improve the speed, the range we can reach, and the final penetration. So we have a deeper penetration as well. So these are factors vital, especially when you are engaging flying targets on the sky. In our testing, we were able to destroy a clay at more than 110 meters at the shooting range. And we were testing the results, the firing results with special tungsten ammunition. So ammunitions made specifically to hit the target at a very long distance, at 35, 50, and 75 meters. For example, at 75 meters, we were still able to put more than 20 pellets in a circle like this of 37 centimeters, so similar more or less to the size of a drone. So today, this is the most effective hard kill solution on the battlefield against FPV drones.
Very, very interesting. And I've seen you added some additional features to this rifle, like integrated red dot sight from Steiner, and it has
M-lock handguard. We have acro system as well, so we can directly mount on the handguard, co-witness with the metal sights, a red dot. In this case, we have the Steiner MPS with LED circle inside and rotatory button up.
okay.
And it's a sort of BDT system. It's very good because if you're using a red dot, you can keep both eyes open. Both eyes open means that you have a spectrum, a visual of 220 degrees. If you close one eye, you have 185 degrees. So having a complete view on a battlefield scenario is vital, is important.
Absolut, ja. Also ihr seht hier, wir haben hier bei der Flinte auch, wie er gesagt hat, schon eine Optik von Steiner integriert in den Handschutz, die hier direkt auf den Handschutz verschraubt ist. Und dadurch hat man halt mit den Kimme-Korn-Visier auch ein Co-Witness. Und diese Optik hat auch ein spezielles Absehen eben für das Beschießen von fliegenden Zielen. Und echt ganz cool gelöst. Ja. So, you told me before that you have two different barrel lengths.
Yes.
Well.
This is the battlefield version, 80.5 inches barrel, so very easy if you mount and dismount from vehicles, you have to run, you have to operate on a battlefield. But we also have a 26 inches barrel. It's a brand new one we specifically developed with the same advanced impact technology. That's more for defense of the vehicles or for the sense of defense of sensitive targets. So for a more steady situation.
Okay. Where you have to reach out further.
Yeah, yeah.
So what do you say when it comes to effective range with the longer barrel? How far can you shoot?
We are confident. We prove to be very effective from 0 till more than 100 meters.
Okay. So this is interesting. Yeah. Nice. And how many rounds are the
In this
capacity?
configuration, we can put 7+1 rounds. With the longer barrel, we'll also have a magazine extension to reach 9+1. So
Okay.
8 in this configuration and 10 with the longer barrel.
So at the current state, this is only available for law enforcement and police?
At the moment, we are launching, of course, first we are targeting the main NATO countries, armed forces and police, law enforcement end users. But same way, we are launching this product in the civilian market as well, because we have seen a huge interest at all levels. And so we think apart this specific version against drones, counter UAS, this is a very interesting gun for any kind of shooter. Indeed.
So we could assume that this special technology in the barrel will also be used in the civilian Benelli and force in the future?
Yes.
So this is not then a dedicated drone shotgun, but an improved M4 shotgun?
No, we start, of course, giving highest priority to the military and law enforcement supplies, but let's say after second half of this year, this gun will be available also for the shooters.
Alright, okay. Also, ihr habt es gehört, die M4 Drone Guardian mit der neuen Lauftechnologie, die Geschosse halt nochmal mehr komprimiert und noch mehr beschleunigt, ist man in der Lage, bis 100 Meter zu schießen und mit der geeigneten Munition wahrscheinlich sogar noch weiter. Und, so wie er gesagt hat, eventuell auch dann für den kommerziellen Markt bald verfügbar. Was sagt ihr dazu, Leute? Wie findet ihr die M4 AI Drone Guardian von Benelli? Ich finde es eine coole Schrotflinte und auch eine echt interessante Lösung für ein Problem, das jetzt gerade aktuell sehr stark im Umlauf ist. Und wenn euch das Thema Drohnen und Schrotflinten wirklich interessiert, dann schaut auch gerne auch das Video an zu uns, wo wir den Praxistest gemacht haben mit Sapiens Parabellum und auf FPV-Drohnen geschossen haben. Wenn die AI Drone Guardian dann auch einmal verfügbar sein wird, dann werden wir dazu auch nochmal so ein Video machen und dann können wir mal schauen, wie gut diese Waffe dann tatsächlich gegen Drohnen einsetzbar ist. Ich verabschiede mich an dieser Stelle mit der Drone Guardian und mit Mauro von Beretta Defense Technologies. Wir schauen uns dann hier auch noch ein paar andere interessante Sachen an, die da hier an der Wand hängen und das Ganze dann in einem weiteren Video. Dranbleiben und bis bald.